In this video, we're talking about decimal division. The first problem is 0.2 divided by 0.1. So the first thing you do is look at the decimals. Since there's a point outside of the division sign, you move it. And then that means you move the one inside the division sign too. So after you move the decimal, you place it up. The next thing we do is 2 divided by 1. 2 divided by 1 is 2. So you place the 2 up. Our answer is 2. Next problem is 0.4 divided by 0.2. You do the same things with the decimals and move them. And you place the decimal up. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So our answer again is 2. Next problem is 0.5 divided by 5. Since there's no decimal outside of the division sign, you just place the decimal up. So the answer is 0.1. Next problem is 20 divided by 0.2. Since there's a decimal on the outside, you move it, and you move it on the 22. So now it becomes 200 divided by 2, and that equals 100. The final problem is 6.8 divided by 0.3. You move the decimals, since there's a decimal on the outside, and you place them up. Now the problem is 68 divided by 3. 68 divided by 3, it won't be a whole number, so we have to find a number that's close to it. So let's try to multiply some things. So let's try 20 times 3. 20 times 3 equals 60. So that won't work because it's too small. What about 22 times 3? 22 times 3 is 66. So that will work because 3 plus 66 is 69. So that'll be too big. 66 is the biggest thing we'll get. So let's add 22 up there and subtract 66 from 68. 66 from 68 is 2. So we can't have a remainder, so we have to make a 0. And then we have to make a 0 right next to the 2. So now it is 20 divided by 3. 20 divided by 3 also won't work, so we'll try to multiply some other numbers. 3 times 6 is 18, so that'll work. 18 from 20 is 2, so we need to add another 0. And do the same thing and subtract 18 from 20. It's still 2, and then if we keep on going, it'll still be 66666. So if it's the same number after 3 times, just keep it there. Don't go any further. So the answer is 22.666. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to the Math Tutor for more math videos. Please comment down below any math video suggestions.